kids! Welcome to Easy Kids Art. Today we are drawing a cute asphalt paver. Let's start with the eyes. Draw two big round eyes. Then add a happy, smiling mouth. Now, draw the front of the asphalt hopper around the face. Next, throw the pile of asphalt inside the hopper. Then draw the body of the asphalt paver behind the hopper. Then draw the large side panels of the hopper. Next, draw the screed at the back of the paver. Now, draw the crawler tracks under the machine. Now, draw the driver's cabin. Next, add the roof, windows, steering wheel, and the driver's seat. Then add the mirrors, lights, handrails, and other small details. Great job! Now it's time to color. Color the hopper. Bright green. Color the body and the roof bright yellow. Use dark gray or black for the screed and the metal parts. Color the crawler tracks dark gray or black. Use black for the fresh asphalt road and light brown for the ground. And done! Your cute asphalt paver is ready! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you in the next drawing. Bye!